watercolor sketchbooks that I recommend. We're going to start off on a bias note because this is one that I sell. It's a little 5x5 sketchbook filled with 140-pound cold pressed watercolor paper, which means the pages are nice and thick, and because of its smaller size, it doesn't warp as much. But let's also take a look at some other sketchbooks that I've finished in the last year or so that I like. First up is this 9x6 sketchbook filled with 140-pound cold pressed paper by Reflections. This one did get more warping than my other one, but I think that's more because the pages are larger, so it has more movement in it. Third, we have another 9x6 sketchbook filled with 140-pound cold pressed paper. This one is by Pentalic, and it is pretty much the same as the second one. And finally, I have two different sketchbooks that I actually made. I filled them using Canson watercolor paper, 140-pound and cold pressed. At this point, you've likely sensed a theme, and that's great because the key to picking a good watercolor notebook is to find something that has thick watercolor paper, 140-pound, and then of your preferred finish. I like cold pressed. If you like something that's smoother, look for hot press.